पतंजलि योगा सूत्रा द्वितीयोऽध्यायः साधनापाद द पाथ टू रियलाइजेशन।
तपः स्वाध्यायेश्वर प्रणिधानानि क्रियायोगः। Yogic action has three components: discipline, self-study and orientation toward the ideal of pure awareness. Samadhi bhavnartha kleshatnukaranaarthascha. Its purposes are to disarm the causes of suffering and achieve integration. अविद्या स्मिता राग द्वेषाभिनिवेशाः पंच क्लेशाः. The causes of suffering are not seen things as they are. The sons of I, attachment, avaran, and clinging to life. अविद्या क्षेत्रमुत्तरेषा प्रसुप्तत्नु विच्छिन्नोदाराणा. Not seen things as they are is the field where the other causes of suffering germinate, whether dormant, activated, intercepted or weakened. अनित्या शुचि दुःखानात्मसु नित्य शुचि सुखात्मख्यातिर विद्या. Lacking this wisdom, one mistakes that which is impermanent, impure, distressing or empty of self for permanence, purity, happiness and self. Darigdarshan shaktyorekaatmatevasmita. The sons of I ascribes selfhood to pure awareness by identifying it with the sensuous. Sukhanushi raga. Attachment is a residue of pleasant experience. Duakhanushi dvesha. Avaran is a residue of suffering. Swarasvahi vidushopi tatharudhobhinivesha. Clinging to life is instinctive and self-perpetuating even for the wise. Te pratiprasvaheyah sukshmah. In their subtle form, these causes of suffering are subdued by seeing where they come from. Dhyanheyastdvrittayah. In their gross form, as patterns of consciousness, they are subdued through meditative absorption. Kleshmula karmashyo drishtadrish jan vedniyah. The causes of suffering are the root source of actions. Each action deposits latent impressions deep in the mind to be activated and experienced later in this birth or lie hidden awaiting a future one. Sati mule tadvipako jatyayurbhoga hai. So long as this root source exists, its contents will ripen into birth, a life, and experience. Tehlad paritap phalah punya punya hetutvat. This life will be marked by delight or anguish in proportion to those good or bad actions that created its store of latent impressions. Parinam tap sanskar duha khair gun vritti virodhach duha khmev sarvam vivekina. The wise see suffering in all experience, whether from the anguish of impermanence, or from latent impressions laden with suffering, or from incessant conflict as the fundamental qualities of nature vie for ascendancy. Heya duhakhamnaktam. But suffering that has not yet arisen can be prevented. Drashtridrishayoha sanyogo he hetuah. The preventable cause of all this suffering is the apparent indivisibility of pure awareness and what it regards. Prakashakriya sthitishila bhutendriyatmakan bhogap vargarthan drishyam. What awareness regards, namely the phenomenal world, embodies the qualities of luminosity, activity, and inertia. It includes oneself, composed of both elements and the senses, and it is the ground for both sensual experience and liberation. Vishesha Visheshling Matralingani Gunparvani. All orders of being undifferentiated, differentiated, indistinct, distinct are manifestations of the fundamental qualities of nature. Drashta Drishimatra Shuddhopi Pratyayanupashyah. Pure awareness is just seeing itself. Although pure, it usually appears to operate through the perceiving mind. Tadarth ev drishasyatma. In essence, the phenomenal world exists to reveal this truth. Kritartham prati nashtmapya nashtan tadanya sadharanatvat. Once that happens, the phenomenal world no longer appears as such. It continues to exist as a common reality for everyone else, though. स्वस्वामिशक्त्योः स्वरूपोपलब्धिहेतुः संयोगः. It is by virtue of the apparent indivisibility of the phenomenal world and pure awareness that the former seems to possess the latter's powers. Tasya heturvidya. Not seeing things as they are is the cause of this phenomenon. Tadbhavat sanyoga bhavo hanam tadrisheya kaivalyam. With realization, the appearance of indivisibility vanishes, revealing that awareness is free and untouched by phenomena. Vivek khyatir viplava hanopayah. The apparent indivisibility of seen and the seen can be eradicated by cultivating uninterrupted discrimination between awareness and what it regards. Tasya saptadha prantbhumiyah pragya. At the ultimate level of discrimination, wisdom extends to all 7 aspects of nature. Yoganganushthanad shuddhikshaye jnandiptiravivekkhyate. When the components of yoga are practiced, impurities dwindle. Then the light of understanding can shine forth, illuminating the way to discriminative awareness. यम नियम आसन प्राणायाम प्रत्याहार धारणा ध्यान समाध्योष्टावंगानि. The 8 components of yoga are external discipline, internal discipline, posture, breath regulation, concentration, meditative absorption, and integration. अहिंसा सत्य अस्तेय ब्रह्मचर्य अपरिग्रह यमा है. The 5 external disciplines are not harming, truthfulness, not stealing, celibacy and not being acquisitive. एते जाति देश काल समयान्वच्छिन्नाः सार्वभौमा महाव्रतम. These universals transcending birth, place, vaya, or circumstance constitute the great vow of yoga. शौच संतोष तपः स्वाध्यायेश्वर प्रणिधानानि नियमा है. The 5 internal disciplines are bodily purification, contentment, intensity, self-study, and orientation toward the ideal of pure awareness. वितर्क बाधने प्रतिपक्ष भावन. Unwholesome thoughts can be neutralized by cultivating wholesome ones. वितर्का हिंसादयः कृतकारितानुमोदिता लोभक्रोध मोह पूर्वका मृदुमध्याधिमात्रा दुहखा ज्ञानानंतफला इति प्रतिपक्ष भावन. We ourselves may act upon unwholesome thoughts, such as wanting to harm someone, or we may cause or condone them in others unwholesome thought. अहिंसा प्रतिष्ठाया तत्सन्निधौ वैरत्यागः. Being firmly grounded in non-violence creates an atmosphere in which others can let go of their hostility. Satya pratisthaya kriya flashrayatvam. For those grounded in truthfulness, every action and its consequences are imbued with truth. Asteya pratisthaya sarvaratnopasthanam. For those who have no inclination to steal, the truly precious is at hand. Brahmacharya pratisthaya viryalabha. The chaste acquire vitality. Aparigraha sthairye janma kathanta sambodha. Freedom from wanting unlocks the real purpose of existence. Shauchat swam jugupsa parar sansarga. With bodily purification, one's body ceases to be compelling, likewise contact with others. Sattva shuddhi saumansya kagriyendriya jayatma darshan yogyatwani cha. Purification also brings about clarity, happiness, concentration, mastery of the senses, and capacity for self-awareness. Santoshadnuttam sukh labha. Contentment brings unsurpassed joy. कायेंद्रिय सिद्धिर शुद्धि क्षयात् तपसः. As intense discipline burns up impurities, the body and its senses become supremely refined. Swadhyaya disht devta samprayogah. Self-study deepens communion with one's personal deity. Samadhi Siddhirishwar Pranidhanat. Through orientation toward the ideal of pure awareness, one can achieve integration. Sthir Sukham Asan. The postures of meditation should embody steadiness and ease. Prayatna Shaithilyanant Samapattibhya. This occurs as all effort relaxes and coalescence arises, revealing that the body and the infinite universe are indivisible. Tato dvandva nabhighata. Then one is no longer disturbed by the play of opposites. Tasmin sati shwas prashwas yorgati vichchedha pranayama. With effort relaxing, the flow of inhalation and exhalation can be brought to a standstill. This is called breath regulation. Vahyabhyantar stambh vrittiyah desh kal sankhyaabhyah paridrishto dirgha sukshmah. As the movement patterns of each breath, inhalation, exhalation, lull are observed as to duration, number, and area of focus. Breath becomes spacious and subtle. Vahyabhyantar Vishyakshepi Chaturtha. As realization dawns, the distinction between breathing in and out falls away. Tatah Kshite Prakashavarnam. Then the veil lifts from the mind's luminosity. Dharnasu cha yogyata manasah. And the mind's potential for concentration is realized. Svavishya samprayoge chittasya swarupanukar ivendriyana pratyahara. When consciousness interiorizes by uncoupling from external objects, the senses do likewise. This is called withdrawal of the senses. Tatah parma vashyatendriyana. Then the senses reside utterly in the service of realization.